Hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang yung 6-6 love reading. So, meaning, bubunot ako ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the main reading, okay, for this energy check-in, and then 6 cards from this deck that would be the supporting cards or supporting details of the main reading. Okay, kaya 6 din dahil in numerology, 6 is a nurturing energy, okay, and which is just right for a love reading to manifest, syempre, some nurturing energies. Ayan, habang binabalasa ko, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Cancer na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated. Please continue to support my channel by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Okay. Comment na rin below kung nag-resonate yung reading. And sa mga bago na nakasubaybay, sana supportahan nyo rin po by subscribing to my channel para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings in the future. Okay? Sige. Simulan na natin. Last. So I'll get the 6th card as well. First card, Page of Wands. And then, Two of Pentacles. Eight of Swords. 10 of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. And the Hanged Woman or Hangman. Okay. So, bunot naman tayo ng 6 cards from this deck. Habang binabalasa ko, as I always remind sa mga readings ko, this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig lang pong sabihin ay hindi ko nasagap ang energy ninyo sa reading na to. So, abangan nyo na lang po yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na sa inyo. Or, panoorin niyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate din sa inyo dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay? Better yet, mag-book na lang kayo ng personal and private reading para mas naka-align yung reading sa energy ninyo. Okay? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, the Magician. Seven of Swords. The Empress. Page of Coins. Temperance. And last, okay, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, you might be dealing with a Pisces, a Gemini, Virgo, Taurus, okay, a Sagittarius, or a Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius. Okay? Pero pwede rin iba naman talaga. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pero, check nyo rin yung Moon, Venus, Rising placements nila. Baka yun din yung mga signs na yun. Okay, so sa main energy muna tayo. So you have the Page of Wands here. So this, nasa infatuation or beginning stage pa lang kayo ng relationship. Pwedeng nasa getting to know or nasa dating stage kayo ng relationship with the Page of Wands here. And I can see here that you and your person with the Two of Pentacles here na there's may medyo nag-weigh pa kayo ng choices ninyo or na even ng options ninyo. Pero gusto niyo naman yung isa't isa dito. But there is this way, may mga priorities din kasi kayo. Kaya nakikita ko dito, lalo na lumabas si Eight of Swords, na you might feel restricted lang din being in a romantic relationship with someone. Okay, dahil na may mga iba pa kayong priorities in life. However, gusto nyo rin naman, parang despite all the priorities that you have, gusto nyo rin naman na mag-settle down, gusto nyo rin magkaroon ng relationship with someone, okay? And actually, that would initiate a conversation and yung, alam mo yun, gusto nyo maging clear din with your person. Ano yung mga gusto ninyong mangyari sa relationship? Kasi may mga ibang priorities pa nga kayo. So, kailangan may mga adjustments, mga compromises, okay? And mapapag-usapan yun dahil here naman with the Ace of Swords, which is a beginning or a start of a clear and honest communication. So, I guess, magkakaroon kayo ng matinding pag-uusap how you would want to move forward. That's why hindi rin naman din kayo basta-basta jump into a committed relationship as shown here with the Hanged Woman na medyo may waiting and contemplating energy. Okay, parang not necessarily naman na parang stop. More on ano lang, may konting hinay-hinay, 'di ba? Hindi basta-basta. Kasi, yun nga, meron kayong mga priorities pa na kailangan nyo ayusin. Paano nyo siya i-fit or paano nyo isasabay pa yung romantic relationship sa dami na ng mga priorities din nyo in life. Okay? But here, with the supporting energy here, I can see that your person naman is very understandable. Okay? Kasi gusto niya kayo, you're the person that this person desires, okay, and manifest. So, may mga, syempre, may mga, with the Seven of Swords here, what can see here, given that this person has this, will to really have you in his life or her life, may mga sort of manipulation siyang gagawin. But not in a bad way ang nakita ko dito. Lalo na nakakabit siya dito with the Magician and First card. Manipulation in a way na para makuha talaga yung loob ninyo and mas mag-commit kayo and mas mag-proceed itong relationship forward. Okay? And I think that your person is willing to compromise with the Empress here, which is a card of caring, and abundant love. So with the abundant love, a person will be willing to compromise naman talaga. And as shown here with the Page of Coins, yeah, there's this long-term goal and loyalty. Ako nakikita itong person ninyo na kapag sinabi mo na, sige, ito muna yung mga priorities ko, hindi rin naman siya basta-basta bibitaw and magle-let go. Actually, willing to wait itong person na to. Especially with the Temperance card here na lumabas. Itong person is very, parang, kaya niyang i-manage As you can see, ang dami ng mga parang hawak. I-manage din yung mga priorities niya that he or she will be able to help you with that. Okay? And given here that with the Wheel of Fortune here, there will be this shift to the next level of the relationship na despite all this na okay, may mga priorities dahil mapapag-usapan nyo siya, there's a high chance and high possibility na mag-shift siya into a next level part ng relationship ninyo. And na-feel mo din dito that this is kind of meant to be relationship. Alam mo yun, na dumating siya sa life mo also when that yung during nung time na ano na rin, parang despite your priorities, hinahanap mo rin naman talaga yung long term o magkaroon ng karelasyon. So, and some more here, the Magician may be also your energy that it's the thing that you manifested. May mga adjustments lang talaga kayong kailangan gawin. And shown here with the Wheel of Fortune, there will be some alam mo yun, fortune, swerte pagdating sa relasyon. And maayos at maayos din naman yan as long as napag-uusapan ng maayos yung umpisa pa lang. Ano yung mga pinaprioritize nyo muna, ano yung mga steps moving forward sa relationship, di ba? Ayun. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Okay? Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Pero, just to remind everyone then that huwag masyadong mag-rely sa tarot and oracle readings. Okay? Just use it as a guide. Always use it with discernment. Okay? Nahawak nyo pa rin sa inyong mga kamay ang inyong kapalaran. Nasa sa inyo pa rin yung mga decision na kailangan nyo gawin. You always have the free will to do what you want to do. Okay, pero sana nakatulong ito sa mga next steps na kailangan nyo gawin in this connection. Okay, so kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat!